Good morning, D-Band English 3. While I will be joining you later today, I am not yet there, so this is a little video to get you started. You will be working today on Q1 Benchmark Checkpoint 3 Zine Draft started. So the point of this assignment is for you to go ahead and start your zine draft using Canva. As always, you can click here for the full assignment description, but let's just start by reading through the assignment. For checkpoint 3, start your draft on canva.com. Quick note, if you do not currently have a Canva account, you will need to make one using your SLA Bieber email. If you do have a Canva account, you want to go ahead and right now pause this video, sign into your Canva account in another tab so that you can continue. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to do the next step. You will include at least one page for everything that will be in your zine. Click this link, then click File, make a copy. You'll obviously need to spruce this up a bit and make it your own by picking your background fonts, etc. And this checkpoint, you'll include the following. So we'll go over that in a minute, but let's go ahead and click the link. It will take you to this template. Yours should look similar to this. You'll be able to click File and make a copy. Well, I made this, so I can't make a copy of it. But yours will have an option to make a copy, and you'll go ahead and make a copy. This is a very, very basic template. Literally just has the assignment description on the pages, and you will be replacing this information with your own content. If you're working with a group or partner, you're going to have to add extra pages for each of your poem submissions, creative submission, and research-based writing, because there's only one set of the individual submissions included in the template. How do I move this thing? Okay. And so you're going to make a copy of that, and then you are going to start making it your own. You'll be assessed in this checkpoint on, did you A, make the copy right here? Did you B, add your individual submissions from everyone in your group to the template? So that's going back to checkpoint 2 and pulling your work over. Did you C, make a clear and obvious start to making the design of the zine your own in a way that contributes to your zine's theme and topic by picking your background, adding titles, images, content, and getting that creative process started? And did you D, start working on one or more of the other pages beyond the individual submissions that you add? So that could be the cover, it could be the contributors page, or the table of contents, or the works cited. I really don't care. You should make some progress on one of those extra pages though. Some things to keep in mind while you work. You can envision each page as a paper-sized page. We will be printing these out. Therefore, your font sizes for titles can be somewhere around 16 to 18, and your font size for text on a page can be size 12. This checkpoint is meant to be proof that you've started for the final draft. It does not at all mean you need to finish. So by the time you leave class today, you're submitting your zine link with these 4 things started. You should keep in mind that working on this will continue outside of class. So you're starting it in class, you're showing me that you started, and then you'll continue working outside of class. When it comes time to submit, you're going to click Share in the upper right-hand corner of Canva and make sure your share settings look like this. Link shared with anyone in the link can comment, and then you copy the link and submit that link to Canvas. And the only other thing I will add is that since you are adding your individual submissions in, you want to go ahead and start thinking about what order things should be in inside of your zine. For instance, since your creative writing or your poem submission and your creative submission play off of each other, you probably want them near each other in your zine. And so you want to figure out, if you're working with a group or by yourself, the order you want things to be in and what you want the layout of the zine to be. If you have questions, I should be here before the end of class to check in with you. If for some reason I'm not, shoot me an email with what your questions are, and I will get back to you very soon. Happy zine making!